Myself, Rishikesh Nagendra Yadav, roll number MB90A032, subject name Strategic Management, and topic name BCG Matrix, and college name SATS Institutes of Management Studies. Uh, Meaning of BCG Matrix. BCG Matrix Growth Share Marketing is a planning tool that uses the geographical representation of a company product and service in an effort to the help the company decided what it should keep, sell or invest more it. BCG metric just helping to the where we can invest or sell about the product. The definition: the BCG metric is an earlier 1970 strategy portfolio management tool created by the Boston Consulting Group. The idea behind it is that the ensure long-term value created. A company should have a portfolio of a product that contain both high growth product in need of cash input and the low growth product that the generated a lot of a cash. Understanding the BCG growth shares market. BCG growth share market break down the product into the four category known as heterogeneous as a dog, second one cow, and third one star and question mark. First one is a dog. Dog. If a company is a product has the low market share and it is a low rate of a growth, it is considered as a dog, and should be sold, liquidated or a repositioned. Dog found is a lower right coordinate of a grid do not generated much cash for the company since they have a low market share and little to no growth. And second one is a cash cow product that are in a low growth area but for which the company has a relative large market share and considers the cash cow, and the company should thus milk the cash cow for the as a long as it can. Cash cow seen is the longer left coordinate are the typically leading product in a marketing are in nature. Third one is is star. It means the product to capture all the market and ruling their product in all the market product that are the higher growth market and that make up a sizable proportion that market are considered star and should be invested in more. In the upper left coordinate are star. If the star can be remains the market leader, it eventually become a cash cow when the market overall growth rate decided. And fourth one is the question mark. Question mark are in a upper right position of grid. Questionable opportunity one those is high growth rate market but in which the company does not maintain the large market share. Attention, some special consideration: the market is a decision making tools and it is a does not necessarily take into the account all the factor that a business ultimately but face. For example, increasing a making share may be more expensive than the additional revenue gain from the new sales. Business product development may be take care. Business must be planned for the carefully. Thank you.